Tesla is on the brink of revolutionizing the EV industry with the breakthrough of extreme fast-charging batteries. Tesla is closely examining StoreDot's disruptive XFC extreme fast-charging batteries, promising to reshape the way we charge our electric vehicles forever. There is also possibility of a potential partnership between Tesla and Volkswagen for adopting North American charging standard. But that's not all. Tesla's highly anticipated new Model 3 is set to feature CATL's ingenious long-range battery. How will XFC extreme fast-charging batteries revolutionize the EV industry, and what changes can we expect from the new Model 3 equipped with CATL's long-range battery? Dive in this video to unravel the answers. In a recent development, Tesla is reportedly examining the potential of StoreDot's extreme fast-charging battery technology. StoreDot, an Israeli battery startup, has gained recognition for its electric vehicle batteries capable of rapid charging. Unlike many other battery breakthrough claims from startups, StoreDot's XFC batteries have been validated by a third party, solidifying their credibility. Last December, independent battery lab Shmuel DeLeon Energy conducted tests on StoreDot's 30A pouch cell XFC batteries. The lab's findings concluded that StoreDot's batteries demonstrate superior rapid charging capability and possess a high energy density of 300 watt-kilogram. These results have sparked Tesla's interest in exploring StoreDot's technology, aligning with Tesla's commitment to developing top-of-the-line batteries for their electric cars. While the examination of StoreDot's batteries by Tesla does not necessarily indicate a future partnership between the two companies, it does shed light on Tesla's dedication to pursuing next-generation battery technologies that can enhance the performance of their vehicles. Tesla's extensive experience in battery management systems and vehicle integration positions the company as an ideal candidate to test and potentially validate StoreDot's work. Currently, Tesla is actively involved in ramping up the development and production of its own 4,680 cells, which are already being equipped in some Model Y units at Gigafactory, Texas. However, Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has expressed the company's ongoing need for additional battery supply as they strive to achieve their ambitious production and delivery goals. This situation makes it consistent with Tesla's character to explore the potential of technologies offered by startups such as StoreDot. StoreDot aims to further improve its XFC batteries, with the goal of enabling 100 miles of range to be added in just 5 minutes of charging by 2024. Looking ahead, StoreDot plans to achieve even greater efficiency, targeting 100 miles of range in just 3 minutes by 2028, and an astounding 2 minutes by the end of the decade. Tesla's interest in StoreDot's XFC battery technology highlights their determination to provide electric vehicles that are increasingly suitable for long-distance travel. By partnering with innovative battery startups like StoreDot, Tesla demonstrates its commitment to pushing the boundaries of battery technology and making electric vehicles more accessible and practical for consumers. It's worth noting that Tesla has a history of collaborating with external battery suppliers such as Panasonic, LGES, Samsung, KTL, and BYD, while also investing in its own battery cell development and production. This approach allows Tesla to leverage the advancements and expertise of various partners while maintaining its position as a leading force in Li-ion battery technology. The examination of StoreDot's XFC batteries by Tesla represents an important step towards achieving breakthroughs in charging technology, reducing charging times, and addressing a common concern among potential electric vehicle buyers. By significantly reducing charging times, electric vehicles can emulate the convenience of refueling traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, further driving the transition to a sustainable transportation future. As Tesla continues to rigorously test StoreDot's technology, safety, reliability, and longevity will remain foremost considerations. Tesla has built a reputation for utilizing proven battery technologies in its vehicles, ensuring trouble-free operation for many years. StoreDot will need to demonstrate that its XFC batteries are production-ready and meet Tesla's rigorous standards before any potential integration into Tesla's electric vehicle lineup. It's worth mentioning that StoreDot has announced that 15 companies are currently evaluating its XFC technology. Promising results have already emerged from tests, demonstrating that the XFC cells can withstand over 1,000 fast-charging cycles without losing more than 20% of their original capacity. These tests involve charging the cells from 10% to 80% in approximately 10 minutes and discharging them within an hour. Typically, fast charging takes a toll on battery life, but StoreDot's XFC batteries have shown promising endurance. StoreDot's XFC technology relies on the use of nanomaterials, which contribute to the remarkable charging capabilities of their batteries. StoreDot is also actively working on further advancements in battery cells. Their 103 technology, anticipated to be available by 2028, aims to incorporate a solid electrolyte and provide an energy density of 450 watt-kilogram, allowing for the addition of 110 miles of range in just 3 minutes of charging. Looking even further ahead, StoreDot's 102 cells expected by 2030 will utilize lithium-free chemistry to achieve an impressive energy density of 550 watt-kilogram. Up next, Tesla and Volkswagen consider over potential NACS partnership. In an effort to expand the network of chargers available to their customers and transition to a higher volume of electric vehicle sales, Volkswagen is in talks with Tesla to adopt the North American charging standard. This move could potentially make Volkswagen the latest automaker to join the growing list of companies embracing the NACS connector. Tesla, known for operating the most expansive EV charging network in the world through its supercharger network, has already struck deals with several automakers in recent months. These partnerships aim to provide greater charging accessibility for electric vehicle owners. With over 45,000 stalls globally, Tesla's supercharger network sets the benchmark for the industry. If Volkswagen were to adopt the NACS connector, it would follow in the footsteps of automakers like Ford, General Motors, Rivian, Volvo, and Polestar. The deal would grant Volkswagen access to Tesla's extensive network of 12,000 supercharger locations in North America, beginning next year. Furthermore, Volkswagen's vehicles would be equipped with the NACS connector starting in 2025. To ensure compatibility during the transition phase, vehicles sold prior to the adoption of the NACS connector would come with an adapter, enabling supercharger access. According to a report from Reuters, Volkswagen is already engaged in discussions with Tesla regarding the implementation of the NACS for its North American customers. The German automaker stated, "Volkswagen Group and its brands are currently evaluating the implementation of the Tesla North American charging standard for its North American customers." This recent development comes as many automakers and charging equipment manufacturers opt for Tesla's charging design over the combined charging system design. The CCS design is supported by automakers like Volkswagen and Hyundai Motor. By adopting the NACS connector, these companies aim to avoid potentially losing customers who may prefer the charging options provided by Tesla's network. While Volkswagen considers this transition, its EV charging network unit, Electrify America, currently operates over 850 charging stations with approximately 4,000 chargers across the United States and Canada. It is worth noting that Tesla has also expanded its charging options beyond its proprietary connectors by incorporating CCS at some of its U.S. charging stations. This expansion aligns with the Biden administration's focus on providing substantial subsidies to support the growth of charging networks across the country. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, Tesla superchargers account for around 60% of the total number of fast chargers in the United States. Up next, Tesla's new Model 3 is reportedly coming with CATL's new long-range battery. Tesla's plans for refreshing its popular Model 3 electric sedan has been building up, with enthusiasts eagerly awaiting news of the upcoming changes. While design updates have been a subject of speculation, recent reports provide some insight into one significant upgrade that Tesla is rumored to incorporate: new battery cells from CATL, a key battery supplier. According to Asia's tech media outlet 36KR, sources familiar with the matter have revealed that the refreshed Tesla Model 3 will be equipped with CATL's cutting-edge M3P battery cells. These innovative cells, which utilize lithium iron phosphate technology, are expected to offer several advantages, including increased energy density and reduced costs. The use of CATL's M3P cells could potentially result in a longer driving range for the Model 3, a feature highly valued by electric vehicle owners. Specifically, the report from 36KR suggests that Tesla will incorporate CATL's M3P batteries into a new 66 kilowatt-hour battery pack for the refreshed Model 3. This would represent an upgrade from the previous 60 kilowatt-hour pack for the basic rear-wheel drive version of the vehicle. By utilizing the advanced M3P cells, Tesla aims to enhance the power and efficiency of the Model 3, providing customers with an improved driving experience. CATL, renowned for its expertise in battery technology, has been a key partner for Tesla, particularly in the production of vehicles at Gigafactory Shanghai. This collaboration has been mutually beneficial, with CATL's advancements in battery technology complementing Tesla's electric vehicle prowess. As the automotive industry places increasing emphasis on range improvements and cost reductions in battery technology, Tesla's decision to leverage CATL's M3P cells demonstrates their commitment to staying at the forefront of innovation. The timing of the Model 3 refresh aligns with CATL's plans to start volume production of the M3P cells in 2023. This suggests that Tesla is strategically timing the release of the updated Model 3 to coexist with the availability of these advanced battery cells. By incorporating the M3P cells, Tesla aims to offer customers a longer driving range without compromising affordability, a crucial factor in accelerating the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. While Tesla has not yet officially confirmed these rumors, the information provided by 36KR adds further excitement and speculation surrounding the upcoming changes to the Model 3. The potential utilization of CATL's M3P battery cells in the refreshed Model 3 holds significant promise for extending the vehicle's range and improving overall performance. Additionally, there have been reports suggesting that the new CATL M3P batteries might also be used in the revamped Tesla Model Y, codenamed Juniper, rumored to be released in 2024. The integration of these advanced batteries could potentially equip the Model Y with a 72 kilowatt-hour energy storage capacity, further enhancing its driving range and capabilities. While the use of CATL's M3P cells in the Model 3 refresh is an exciting development, there are likely to be other changes and enhancements applied to the vehicle as well. Reports suggest that the refreshed model the 3rd of May feature a sportier and sleeker design, potentially making it even more appealing to customers. Furthermore, rumors surrounding the Model 3 Highland, a potential new version of the Model 3, indicate that it might soon enter production at the Tesla Giga Shanghai factory. Trials of the test vehicles are reportedly underway, and unofficially, production is expected to start in September 2023, potentially allowing the Model 3 Highland to enter the market before the end of the year. While details about the Model 3 Highland are still scarce, it is speculated that this variant may include structural battery packs with Tesla's latest 4680 type cylindrical battery cells, which are currently used in the Tesla Model Y AWD. The inclusion of these advanced battery cells could further enhance the vehicle's performance and energy storage capabilities, offering customers an even more compelling driving experience. Up next, Tesla closes in on record quarter in Australia by selling out cars from 16 ships. Tesla's dominance in the electric vehicle market continues to expand as the company edges closer to achieving a record-breaking quarter in Australia. According to a report by The Driven, Tesla's sales figures in Q2 are expected to soar to unprecedented heights. An analysis of inventory listings conducted by The Driven reveals that Tesla's car stocks in Australia are nearly depleted. As of the latest data, less than 20 vehicles remain in inventory, indicating a tremendous demand for Tesla's electric vehicles in the country. In the earlier part of the quarter, Tesla had a wide range of electric vehicle configurations readily available, including the new rear-wheel drive Model 3 and various variants of the Model Y in multiple colors. As more ships carrying Tesla vehicles arrived in Australia, the inventory expanded significantly. To drive sales, Tesla introduced promotional offers, such as free supercharger charging for select models and discounts on inventory vehicles. A total of 16 ships arrived in Australia during Q2, delivering thousands of Tesla vehicles. The inflow of shipments has resulted in the rapid depletion of stocks, emphasizing the strong demand for Tesla's electric vehicles in the Australian market. Official data reveals that Tesla sold 8,152 vehicles in Australia during the months of April and May alone. This impressive figure already sets a high bar, but with sales expected to continue soaring in June, Tesla has a strong chance of setting a new sales record in the country. Breaking down the sales data, the Model 3 sedan leads the way with 10,117 units sold. It is anticipated that the Model Y will surpass the Model 3 in year-to-date sales by the end of June, particularly due to the recent arrivals of this popular SUV crossover. The Tesla Model Y has solidified its position as the best-selling SUV in Australia, contributing significantly to the overall surge in electric vehicle sales. In May alone, a record-breaking 8,124 electric vehicles were sold, with the Model Y accounting for an impressive 3,178 of these sales. The rising demand for electric vehicles, coupled with strong incentives offered in many states, continues to fuel the growth in Tesla's orders. As Tesla maintains its leadership position in the electric vehicle market, the company is poised for continued expansion and success in Australia. Up next, Electrify America announces adoption of Tesla's North American charging standard. This move aims to broaden the charging solutions available for EV drivers and enhance convenience within the charging infrastructure. Electrify America, known for its inclusive and open rapid charging system, has always been committed to facilitating the adoption of electric vehicles. Robert Barossa, the president and CEO of Electrify America, emphasized their dedication to supporting industry-wide standards that promote vehicle interoperability and streamline public charging. In a press release, Barossa stated, "Since our founding, we have focused on building an inclusive and open hyper-fast charging network to facilitate the adoption of electric vehicles. We look forward to continuing to support industry-wide standards that increase vehicle interoperability and streamline public charging." It is worth noting that while Electrify America adopts the NACS, it will still provide the combined charging system connectors throughout its extensive network. By 2025, the company aims to offer the NACS connector option at existing and future charging stations, further enhancing the convenience of charging for EV owners. This commitment to accommodating multiple charging standards is an important step in ensuring widespread access to fast charging infrastructure. Electrify America is collaborating with the Charging Interface Initiative and SAE International to facilitate the integration of the NACS. Additionally, the company is an active participant in the National Charging Experience Consortium, a newly formed initiative aimed at strengthening the national charging infrastructure. Through these partnerships, Electrify America seeks to accelerate the development and implementation of efficient and standardized charging solutions. With over 850 charging stations and approximately 4,000 individual chargers across the United States and Canada, Electrify America boasts one of the most extensive rapid charging networks in the region. These charging stations provide impressive charging speeds of up to 150 kilowatt and 350 kilowatt, making them some of the fastest charging options available to consumers today. This adoption of Tesla's NACS by Electrify America aligns with Tesla's efforts to establish a unified charging standard in North America. While most EVs sold in North America, excluding Tesla vehicles, are equipped with the combined charging system, Tesla has been working towards encouraging other automakers and network operators to embrace the NACS as the new industry standard. The recent commitments from major automakers such as Ford, GM, Rivian, and Volvo to provide NACS adapters and equip future vehicles with NACS charging ports highlight the growing acceptance and adoption of the standard. Tesla's collaborative approach in sharing its EV charging connector design has played a significant role in promoting industry-wide compatibility. Meanwhile, Volkswagen Group, the parent company of Electrify America, is evaluating the implementation of the Tesla North American charging standard for its North American customers. As more automakers and charging networks embrace the NACS, the EV charging landscape is poised for increased interoperability and enhanced convenience for EV owners. Up next, Polestar also decided to adopt Tesla NACS connector, following parent company Volvo. This move comes just 2 days after its parent company, Volvo, also made the same decision. The adoption of the NACS connector by Polestar is in line with agreements signed by other prominent automakers such as Ford, General Motors, and Rivian. Under this agreement, starting from spring 2024, Polestar owners will gain access to approximately 12,000 Tesla supercharger locations across North America. This expansion in charging infrastructure availability will greatly benefit Polestar EV owners by providing them with more options for charging their vehicles. Importantly, the agreement with Tesla will apply to both current and future Polestar models. Furthermore, in order to ensure compatibility with other charging systems, Polestar vehicles manufactured with the NACS connector from 2025 onward will come equipped with a combined charging system adapter. This demonstrates Polestar's commitment to supporting a diverse range of charging options for its customers. The decision to adopt the NACS connector aligns with Volvo's overall goal of becoming fully electric by 2030. Volvo CEO Jim Rowan stated, "We want to make life with an electric car as easy as possible. Today, with this agreement, we're taking a major step to remove this threshold for Volvo drivers in the United States, Canada, and Mexico." This commitment to customer convenience and accessibility is a driving factor behind the adoption of Tesla's charging standard. It is worth noting that both Polestar and Volvo plan to offer a NACS to CCS adapter for future 2025 models. This adapter will allow owners who prefer the CCS charging style to replenish their vehicle's battery using that type of charger. The availability and pricing details for the adapter are yet to be disclosed by the automakers. Up next, Tesla moves to lift demand further as suggested by analysts. In a bid to boost demand and achieve even higher sales figures, Tesla is making strategic moves that have caught the attention of Wall Street analysts. These analysts have shared their insights on Tesla's potential demand triggers and the challenges the company may face in the near future. As the electric vehicle race intensifies, Tesla continues to solidify its position as the dominant leader in the sector. Acknowledging the need to collaborate with Tesla, several automakers have signed deals to adopt Tesla's charging connector and gain access to its extensive network of North American superchargers, which currently stands at a staggering 12,000 locations. This recognition from competitors highlights Tesla's unparalleled presence and infrastructure within the EV market. According to Global Equities research, Tesla's demand is expected to recover as the artificial intelligence industry creates job opportunities for previously laid-off tech workers. The firm conducted surveys among these workers, and a significant number expressed their intention to purchase a Tesla as their major expense once they secure new employment. This positive sentiment bodes well for Tesla's future sales figures. However, not all analysts share the same level of optimism. Bernstein analyst Tony Sacconaghi believes Tesla faces demand obstacles in 2023 due to a lack of new car releases. Sacconaghi expresses concern that Tesla's upcoming numbers may not meet the market's expectations. To achieve its sales goals, he suggests that Tesla will likely continue implementing price cuts, a strategy it has employed throughout the year to stimulate sales. Sacconaghi also points out that the emergence of new, lower-priced EV models from competing automakers poses a challenge to Tesla's market share. While Wall Street analysts remain divided in their predictions, market expectations for Tesla's second quarter deliveries stand at approximately 445,000 vehicles, representing a substantial 74% increase compared to the same period last year. The market eagerly awaits Tesla's official delivery and production numbers for Q2, which are expected to be announced imminently. Tesla's ongoing efforts to lift demand and outperform its sales targets underscore the company's determination to maintain its dominance in the EV market.